Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to turn off automatic dubbing feature for your YouTube channel. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube Studio and we are going to turn off feature. On left side you see settings, so click on it and then pop-up setting open. Now you see multiple option and then you see upload default, so again click on it and then you see basic info, advanced setting, monetization, so click on advanced setting. So now we are in advanced setting and then you see multiple option. Now you see automatic dubbing, so we enable this option. Now you see allow automatic dubbing, so you can uncheck or disable this value like this and then click on save. So it's up to you. Now automatic dubbing feature is disabled for YouTube channel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.